Good morning. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a customer complaint in regards of the on-off key is non-responsive. Non-responsive is meaning not turning on the unit as quickly. So first, I'm going to measure both batteries. One battery is 8.78 volts. Other one is 9.42 volts. Next, I'm going to connect the battery straps to the batteries. Turn the slide switch on, and now I'm going to touch the on off key button. As you can see, it turned on right away. I'm going to turn it off, turn it back on, and as you can see, it's very responsive. Now I'm going to turn off the main power switch off, and now I'm going to swap the battery terminals by just switching them. And you will notice there is a delay. Turn this main power switch back on. Press the on-off button. It turns on. Turn it off. Turn it back on. And you see, on the second attempt, it turns on. So there's like a little delay. The reason for this is because one of the batteries is very good, and the other one is still good, but is low. It's not meeting that threshold to energize the unit. So the solution for this symptom is to install new batteries, and that will eliminate this symptom that the customer was experiencing. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.